Bitcoin right now is at a very key moment. Resistance keeps getting tested, but is it going to break? Well, we'll dive into the technicals in this video. But while Bitcoin decides what the heck it's trying to do, we keep getting great news stories, big news from PayPal, big news from a Bitcoin mutual fund, the supply on exchanges, and much, much more. So make sure to stick around and watch the whole video to get all of the juicy news as well. My name's Lark. Every day I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing, so if that's a topic that you would like to learn some more about, make sure you subscribe to the Lark Davis channel. Gently tap on the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course, click on the notification bell to know when I put out a new video. With all that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the charts. So Bitcoin has just completed its 9th straight daily candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 daily candles right in a row. Up about 35.8% from the recent price bottoms. I like it. Now, last time Bitcoin put in this many green candles in a row was all the way back here, way back in the yonder times. This is December 12th up to the 19th of December. In fact, we only put in 8 straight daily candles in that situation, whereas we've just completed our 9th one here for Bitcoin. Now, that candle today, some exchanges actually registered that as a red candle. It's one of those candles that really shows the market's very, very indecisive. But anyway, after the last big run for Bitcoin like this, what inevitably happens? Things cool off. We get a bit of backward retracement for the price action. You can see this playing out in a lot of different situations where you have big runs, and then at least 1 or 2 days of price retracement, just things cooling off. And look, you can see what's going on right here. This daily candle, that's just really indecision right there. That's what you're seeing, market indecision in that particular situation. You can see that ever since the 26th of July, volume's actually been falling off. So we had very low volume on this yesterday. So the bulls tried to break above resistance here. They got rejected. The bulls tried to break above resistance again here. We saw a little bit more enthusiasm, a little more volume. Rejected. And then yesterday, the bulls are like, man, I don't know what's going on. The bears are like, I don't know what's going on either. Very, very low volume. That's saying to me, basically everyone's sitting there waiting, hey, what's going to happen next, man? What's the deal here? Are we going to be bullish or are we going to be bearish? We did just put in all those green daily candles. The more likely thing to happen at this stage would be for a couple of days of retracement. Maybe we come back down to test the 200-day exponential moving average here around $38,500. Maybe we even wick down below that and we get to come down to, maybe some slightly lower levels. Maybe come down to 37,000 or something over the weekend. We'll see how that all plays out. But we could always just keep ranging sideways. All options on the table. Expert technical analysis here on the Lark Davis channel. No, but honestly, I think the more likely situation is that we do get a bit of a retracement. We're not going to $3,000, guys. Don't go too crazy here. But after such a big run up, I think that a slight retracement would be due, unless, of course, we get some tweet from Facebook or Amazon that they bought Bitcoin, at which point, straight to the moon. But look at what happened here. This is a pretty obvious situation of hardcore resistance coming in. You don't want to get overly bullish at resistance. That's a time for a bit of caution. You want to see if resistance actually gets conquered and it was rejected again. And now the market's like, WTF, man, I don't even know what's going on here. Obviously, until we reclaim the 200-day simple moving average, this is the pinkish red line up here, we are still in a bearish trend, although things have been very bullish recently, and we have reclaimed the 200-day exponential moving average, which I'm very, very excited about. Now let's see if we can hold it. That's the test for us coming into the weekend here. See if we can hold that. I do have some price bids in lower levels, $37,000 and $35,000, just in case. We'll see what happens over the next few days. Obviously, I'm hoping those orders don't get filled and that the bulls step it the heck up here and push the markets higher. By the way, if you want to trade yourself some Bitcoin, some Ethereum, some Dogecoin, whatever your fancy might be, best place to be doing trading is over on Bybit, especially if you want to long or short any of these different assets. Very big, vibrant futures markets over here on Bybit. They also just introduced spot trading with 0 fees for market makers. So if you are a trader, this is only for experienced traders. If you are a trader, then go ahead and check this out. And if you use the link down below in the description to start your account, you can get up to a $600 trading bonus. Now let's get into the news. Michael Saylor, CEO of MicroStrategy, Bitcoin Giga Chad, he bought more Bitcoin. Dude, save some for everybody else, man. Holy cow. Nuts. Sailors out there buying more Bitcoin. Don't know what they have left to sell at this point. I feel like everybody at the MicroStrategy office, they're just standing around all day because Michael Saylor sold the desks and the chairs to buy more Bitcoin. Warp. Oh, man. Anyway, holy cow. Saylor is buying more Bitcoin. Hardcore levels of conviction here. Obviously, anybody buying MicroStrategy stocks at this point is buying it because they want exposure to the 105,000 Bitcoin that Michael Saylor has, which is exactly why BlackRock bought 12% of the shares of MicroStrategy recently, because they want exposure to Bitcoin. That's why you buy MicroStrategy stocks. Now, Saylor's buying, but apparently a lot of other people are too. We are seeing actually a situation again where the amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is falling. In fact, just yesterday, we had a massive exit of Bitcoin from exchanges. We had 50,000 Bitcoin removed from exchanges just yesterday. That's a heck of a lot of Bitcoin, man. A lot of investors buying it, taking it off, buying it, taking it off. Of course, this buying could have happened over the last few days. It doesn't mean that the buying happened yesterday itself. They could have been buying for the last few days throughout this market move, and they're just removing it from the exchanges now. Perhaps now that they're looking and saying, well, doesn't look like we're breaking resistance here. Let's just get our Bitcoin off the exchanges for a little bit. But definitely, I think this move, this big price move that we've seen recently, has brought a lot of eyes back to Bitcoin. Everybody a week ago thought Bitcoin was dead. It's going to zero. It's going to $3,000. It's going to $10,000. Now, Bitcoin's up 30-some% in a week, and everybody's going, oh, wow, we should really start paying attention to Bitcoin again. So we've seen a big flip as well in the fear and greed index. The fear and greed index last week was at 10. Extreme fear. We've actually flipped all the way back up to 50 now. Neutral, right? That's within a week's time. That's incredible reversal of market sentiment. And we are seeing that exact thing playing out here with conviction of buyers stepping up now that they think, hey, look, there's a market reversal in play. The bull trend might be over, and we might be looking forward to a very big and exciting end of the year. I better get myself positioned back in Bitcoin. We also have this big news story. The first widely available Bitcoin mutual fund is out there. Cool. This is just another great option for people to get exposure to Bitcoin. Because look, I know, I know. We can just go buy Bitcoin on our favorite exchange. You can go buy some Bitcoin on Binance. You can buy some Bitcoin on Kraken. You can go buy some Bitcoin on Coinbase. Put it in your cold storage, pop it into your ledger, right? Get it in here and, hey, relax. But unfortunately, there is a lot of people and a lot of money that aren't going to do that. They don't want to manage their own private keys. They don't want to open up another account on another place. And it's just, they don't want to. They want something that they can get at their brokerage account. They don't want to have to go searching around for it. They want to log into the brokerage account, the one that they've always used, and they want to buy a Bitcoin mutual fund or, the Bitcoin trust from Grayscale. And of course, what they really want is a Bitcoin ETF, because that's going to be the goods when it comes down to it. Bitcoin mutual fund, cool. I welcome it to the party. I'm not a massive fan of mutual funds personally, but there will be investors who will like this product. So why not? Welcome to the party, Bitcoin mutual fund. Hope you're popular. Hope lots of people want to buy your mutual fund and you guys suck up loads of Bitcoin off of the market. That would be fantastic. Thank you very much. But the Bitcoin ETF, that's the big dog. That's what's really going to make the market go super crazy town. So Bitcoin mutual fund, welcome. I'm holding on my excitement here for a Bitcoin ETF. And the final big story for today, PayPal just keeps doubling down on crypto. It's super awesome to see the world's biggest, legacy, I suppose we should say, payments app, PayPal, super big into crypto. I absolutely love it. And they said that they're soon to roll out their crypto super app. Now this is where it gets next level. And I remember talking 6 months ago or whatever, saying that, look, PayPal just letting you buy and sell Bitcoin, that's not going to be where they stop. We're going to see so much more from them in terms of access. So during PayPal's Q2 2021 investor update call, the CEO said the initial version of the company's super app wallet was code complete. He said the company planned for the wallet to be fully ramped in the United States in the next several months. That's by the end of this year. By the end of this year, the PayPal Crypto Super App is going to come out. There's something like 150 million PayPal accounts in the United States. Like 1 in 2 Americans has a PayPal account. Globally, of course, it's like 340 million people with PayPal accounts. But rolling this out in the United States, that's a damn big deal. Now, what is the Super App? Well, the Super App wallet will feature high-yield savings, early access to direct deposit funds, a messaging capability, and additional crypto capabilities. This is very, very interesting because what I'm reading here is things like this wallet from PayPal is probably going to allow you to access decentralized finance. Imagine having this app that people are already on PayPal, people are already using PayPal, and they're going to abstract away all the difficulties. And I know it's going to end up probably being a custodial app. You might be able to withdraw your crypto to your own cold wallet if you want to. They did end up enabling that for the PayPal service on the website. I think the app will probably allow for that as well. But essentially what it's going to do is, let's say you have 1 Ethereum in your super app, right? And you want to earn some yield on that. So you just open it up and they're going to give you, hey, 5 options. You can earn on Aave and you can earn on Wire and Finance and you can earn on Bancor or whatever. And they're just going to have these options listed there and the percentages, and you can just click on one and they'll take care of the rest in the background. This has the potential to bring so much money into the markets, especially when we talk about dollar rates, because in DeFi, the dollar rates blow away any bank anywhere. A JP Morgan Chase bank account, Chase Bank, I think they do 0.01% for a savings account right now. It's absurd. Absurd beyond belief. It's laughable. It's a joke. They may as well slap you in the face and say, give me your money. Shh. Retail investors, you don't deserve anything. That's basically the experience with banks right now. Whereas if PayPal brings this out and they're going to say, hey, you can get 4, 5, 6% interest over here. I mean, Coinbase just allowed you to earn 4% on your USDC. I would imagine PayPal is going to have at least 4% of an offering for earning on your dollars, which again blows any bank account straight out of the water, as well as all these other functionalities that are going to come in for this PayPal application. I feel like it's going to be a bridge to DeFi. It's probably going to let you have NFTs. Hear me now, quote me later. PayPal is going to let you get NFTs. PayPal is probably going to sell you freaking NFTs. It's all coming. And again, these guys have like 150 million customers in the USA. It's big. It's big. PayPal selling crypto to their clients was big, and it's getting bigger all the time. Them bringing out an app that allows you to spend crypto to access DeFi. This is next level stuff, guys. This is next level stuff. If you're not bullish macro on this market, I don't know what you're smoking, honestly, because this is mega bullish. Anyway, just my 2 Satoshis for the day. Your question: would you use the PayPal Crypto Super app when it comes out? Or are you happy it's coming, but not for me? Thank you. Curious to know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.